Okay, again, Carlos did this part. He dust and wipe. He cleaned this area. The washer is old, so we don't care about the rust, but he cleaned this area. He rearranged this area. We don't move or throw out this because the owner likes to have some bags. I don't know for what. Carlos used the cobweb brush to remove spiders, web spiders. He rearranged, but almost in the same way, this shelf, and he cleaned the shelf. All people doesn't like to move things around. They know the mess, they know, so we just wipe, clean, remove cobwebs, and put it almost in the same way. The kitchen, we clean the stove outside and the mirror inside. I got electrocuted by cleaning this. It was connected, has a light, and I didn't realize that I used a wet cloth and I got electrocuted for real. So then I took out the electric cord. It was really greasy. We did everything that we could. There is more little details, but it's in really good shape. I like that. We wipe the mirror and this door outside of the kitchen and on the side. We move the stove and cleaning behind. Here, the kitchen cabinet was a lot of grease spots, orange spots. Carlos, Friday we came here and he started doing the kitchen. He rearranged in the same way here and wipe and clean the surface. The same here. The microwave is old, however, we're cleaning inside and outside, but it's old. There is rust. It's no mold. It's no black. It's rust. The property is old. The cabinet, they already have streaks. I don't know if you can see it, but Carlos clean inside and outside, removing any kind of spots. Cleaning. Carlos clean inside the refrigerator. The refrigerator is old, rusty. They painted. This area was really black, so he cleaned it, and because we have to clean it, we remove some paint. He wiped and cleaned the refrigerator inside too. Everything that we could. We couldn't move the refrigerator. We tried, but there is a board behind that. So as soon as we figured it out, I said leave it like that. And we checked, and there wasn't nothing behind that. It was a wood board. Cleaning the walls. Carlos removed this stand. He used a degreaser outside with the garden hose because it was orange. It was bad. It was greasy. And he rearranged that. We move this and we clean behind. A lot of cobwebs here. Using the cobweb brush, we remove the cobwebs. Let me turn off this. Sorry. Okay, I'm really happy for the bathroom. It is sanitized, it's disinfecting. For real, I don't feel ugly to touch it. We clean it with love because this person is an old guy. Here it was some calcium rim, and we removed that. The shower, the lines are clean. We use a product and a paper towel, and this is the result of the grout. Really good job. You may think this is black, but it's not black, it's a hole. So they have to replace that area, okay? This is beautiful. And the tile and the grout, I'm really happy for that. Mirror clean, and the floor. The floor was black, but it's nice. Another room here. We disinfect with a fogger. We vacuum and mop and disinfect this area. There is another room. We don't do the bed. This is a rent. They rent rooms here. I'm gonna talk about that later. I just vacuum and do the floor. The floor is clean. This is the room for the elder person or the senior. Carlos vacuum and he tried to rearrange the same way he did it. Because senior people, they're really attached of things and they don't like to be, they feel out of place if they rearrange in some way that they don't have the control. The house was in really bad shape, a lot of dust here, so we clean it, we vacuum and disinfect the fogger. The same here. I didn't throw out nothing, no papers, no newspaper, everything I put it in this carton. And when the person comes, he is gonna sort and decide what he wants to throw it out or not. This person like to have these kind of bags behind because I think he doesn't like the rag to touch the walls. A lot of cobwebs and stains on the wall, and we cleaning that. A lot of cobwebs over there. This is our house, but it's disinfected, and we remove a lot of cobwebs. This cabinet was orange. I don't know if I told you already that. I don't know if I mentioned this area. Okay, here we dust, clean the mirror, vacuum, dust, mop, and disinfect with a fogger. Another room that we remove cobwebs in the corner. They rent rooms to Mexican people. And we fogger all this area with the disinfectant. The last sort, the bathroom, mirror, good. Everything is clean. It smells good. It's disinfected. I can't touch it. I don't feel whack. No, I feel good. The toilet is in really good shape. The shower glass is the best that I could do it. Beautiful. This part is the sealer. This is no mold, it's the sealer. Everything was black. There is some rust, a stick on the metal. The walls are cracked already. This is rust, a stick on the plastic, and I cannot remove that. Okay, but we clean it. That's rust, calcium. Everything is good. It smells good. I know it's not only the smell, it's that it's sanitized, and I feel good about it. so hard here, really hard. I came here Friday at 4 and we did 5 hours Friday. It was so hard. What is the light here? And we did 5 hours. We couldn't finish because Saturday I have another 4 houses to disinfect. And we finished today. ¿Ya está todo?
Yeah.
No fuimos, ni agua. Ok,
Right.
vámonos.